Ever heard grown-ups say, "My credit score is ruined"?
It sounds scary, like a monster under the bed.
But it's actually simple.
It's just your money trust score.
Today, we'll show you how it works, how it can trap you, and how one African proverb can keep your family out of the snake pit.
If you've ever heard "my credit score is ruined" and thought, what does that even mean? This is for you.
People talk about credit like it's a monster, but really it's your trust score. How much banks and companies believe you'll keep your promises.
In every village and every city, trust decides who can borrow, who can build, and who must wait.
We're teaming up, all four of us, to turn credit from a scary secret into a family superpower. And if you're a teen thinking about your first phone plan or car, this is your head start.
Before we dive into the trust score secrets, if you like this and want to hear more, hit that subscribe button and like the post. It really helps us reach more families and create more content for you.
So Brian, real talk. If credit is a trust score, who's doing the trusting?
Banks, phone companies, car finance, landlords. They can't have tea with everyone, so they look at your behavior history instead.
In many African markets, traders remember, she always pays on time. He always comes back late. Credit scores are just a digital version of that memory.
So the number isn't magic. It's a story about your promises.
Imagine a friend borrows £5 from you 20 times. Every time they pay you back the next day, you just know they'll keep their promise.
Now picture a friend who borrows £5 3 times, disappears, and only pays when you chase them.
Same £5. Completely different trust score.
That's all a credit score is, a big system asking, are you more like friend A or friend B?
Your trust score is built on 4 pillars. Pillar 1, payment history. Do you actually pay on time?
Let me guess. Strong story, bills paid every month?
Exactly. Every "I'll pay next week" is like a crack in the trust. Pillar 2, credit utilization. If your limit is £1,000 and you've used £300, that's 30%. You're using some, but not all.
Okay, quick quiz for you at home. If your limit is £500 and you've used £400, is that closer to calm or to stress?
That's closer to stress. Staying around a third or less looks calmer and safer. Pillar 3, length of history. An account you've managed well for years is like a long friendship.
In many communities, elders vouch for you because they've watched you for seasons. Time deepens trust.
And Pillar 4, types of credit. Handling a phone contract and a small card shows you can manage different responsibilities.
So it's like doing well in more than one subject at school?
Exactly.
Let's see if you remember. Shout the answer before we do. Pillar 1. Is it about paying on time or having the fanciest card? Paying on time.
Pillar 2, is it better to use all of your limit or some of it? Some of it.
Pillar 3. What makes trust stronger? Short history or long history? Long history.
Remember, your trust score is just how well you've handled promises over time without panic.
Okay, that actually sounds doable. So why are so many adults swimming in debt?
Because real life is noisy. Ads shout, friends flex, and later always feels far away.
Flash sale! You have to get these headphones now! Check out the one-click purchase.
In wisdom stories, trouble often begins the same way. Not with evil, but with hurry.
And that's where one little proverb can save a lot of bank accounts.
There is a proverb that says, restless feet may walk into a snake pit. When your feet can't keep still, you move without looking, and that is when danger waits.
So in money, the snake pit is debt we didn't really understand?
Exactly. The kind of promise you sign in 5 minutes and pay for over 5 years.
Let's follow Sam. Sam sees a big advert. Free phone upgrade, just £40 a month. Restless feet start tapping. Everyone at work has the new phone. Sam signs the contract in 5 minutes. No reading the tiny print.
But inside that paper is the snake pit, a 36-month contract, extra insurance Sam didn't notice. And by the end, the phone costs hundreds more than slowing down and choosing carefully.
On Sam's trust score, it also means another monthly payment stacked on top of everything else, making it harder to keep every promise on time.
And 3 years later, the phone is old, but the payments are still there. Ouch.
Snake pits aren't always ugly. They often shine. They can look like limited time store cars that give you money today and headaches tomorrow. Car finance that sounds cheap each month but stretches far longer than you realized.
The problem isn't moving forward. The problem is sprinting blind.
Make 3 quick questions a family habit. Number 1, pause. Ask, is this a true need or just a loud want?
Number 2, check. Ask, what's the total cost? If it's £40 a month for 36 months, that's £1,440.
Number 3, step. Ask, if our income dropped, would this payment still be safe? If the answer is no, wise feet step back.
When you ask, pause, check, step, those restless feet become wise steps.
Now let's turn this into something practical. A family financial trust card. 3 rules for this house.
Rule 1. We never borrow for things that lose value fast. Trendy gadgets and takeaways are save up first items, not put it on credit and hope items.
Because your trust score doesn't care how shiny it looked on delivery day. It cares whether you kept the promise for the next 3 years.
Rule 2. We read the whole agreement, even the tiny words. If we don't understand it, we ask questions. If it still isn't clear, we walk away.
In every culture, wise people know. Never sign what your heart and your eyes do not understand.
Rule 3. We sleep on big money decisions. If it costs more than £50, or whatever number works for your family, we agree to wait at least one night before saying yes.
Restless feet shout, get it now. Wise feet whisper, let's see how it feels in the morning.
And here's a small habit that can change a whole month. The 10-second pause. Before any impulse buy, online or in store, everyone stops and silently counts to 10 while asking, is this wise or just restless feet?
Good credit is not about being rich. It is about being trusted.
And trust, in money and in life, is built through patience and kept promises.
We'd love to hear from you. What's one restless feet moment your family has learned from?
And what's one rule you want to add to your own family trust card this week? Share it in the comments. Your idea might save someone else from a snake pit.
May your steps be steady, your promises kept, and your trust grow stronger with time.
If this helped credit feel less scary and more clear, send it to a parent, teacher, or teen who needs a starting point.
Follow Tiny Mike, Big Wisdom for your weekly dose of financial confidence.
And timeless wisdom for modern life.